I really got into bikes about 4 years ago now. Don't confuse that. I don't mean I was really into them for a long period. I did one big journey and then I quit. Don't get me wrong, I enjoyed it whilst it lasted. The problem with cycling is it doesn't get easier, you just get better and then you push yourself harder, so you're always exhausted. I live in like a really hilly part of my country, Devon in England. It's just hill after hill after hill. It gets boring very quickly. So up until about 4 days ago, I didn't even know that there was such a thing as an e-bike. Now, for those that don't know, e-bike is a normal bike and it has like a little motor that helps you. I mean, this one does it all for you, which is even better. Right, there is everything laid out. We've got, that's the battery to charge the power supply, which is hidden inside there. Hello, Gracie. And then we've got like these little satchel thing that goes on the back wheel there, pedals, front wheel, and then a fender to go over the front, or a mud guard, whatever you want to call it. And then we've got a rear light, and then this casing goes over the headlight there. So I've got to build everything now. It's all actually assembled, but like, so for shipping, obviously the handlebars couldn't be on, but I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, so hopefully this goes right. What do you think so far, Jakey? Good. Why are you hiding in the corner? I don't know. Are you going to ride it?
Well, how about you ride it and then I can like sit on the back maybe?
Sit on the back, what, on that little bit there? On the frame? I mean, that sounds pretty dangerous. Well, you got your own bike. I'll get you an electric one as well, yeah?
No. I'll fall off it. I don't know how to ride a bike.
Well, yes, you do. You can ride your bike.
I don't know how to get on the tall bike like that.
Oh no, it won't be. It won't be like this. It won't be this size. It'll be like a size for you.
Oh, but it's gonna be like.
Would you like one if I got a smaller one, like for you? Yeah.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll get you one as well. That'd be good. Well, you're gonna have to save up all your pocket money then, aren't you? Oh, you want the Hulkbuster? Okay. Right, the handlebars are on. Look at that riding position. Looks so cool. Right, I need to undo these bolts because that protects, obviously, the forks. Slide on the wheel. Yeah, so we've got handlebars on, we've got light on, wheels are on and tight. Next thing we need is this thing at the back. I mean, this makes the look for me. Without it, it looks a bit bare. What are you doing? Yeah, so that needs to go. It's quite simple actually, I think, isn't it? No. Oh, great, you've just scratched it all. Don't worry, it's going to get scratched, who cares? I mean, always worry about your things, but don't cry over spilt milk. It's inevitably going to happen. Nipple bolt thingy there, nipple bolt thingy there. That bit slots over the top. Perfect. Right, nearly there. Last thing to do, front fender on, or as my son calls it, wheel protector. What you got? What is it? Oh, a treat, is it? Because it's summer holidays, isn't it? Yeah, don't do what I do. That is back to front. Short bit goes in the front, and that little lippy bit goes at the back. Swap it round. There we go. Everything's been built, and literally as I put the last bolt in, my helmet arrived. This is too hard one hand. There we go. So I went for like a BMX style helmet just to suit the style of the bike a bit more. I've got the boots. Obviously I need some trousers, not these shorts and white sock combination. I've got a leather jacket as well, but I don't know if I'll bother with all that. It's a bit over the top then, isn't it? So the bike is all built. We're ready to go. We've got a problem. Mission aborted. It's absolutely hammering it down. Oh my gosh, we're really going now. This is so fast. Okay, now we're moving. Oh my god, this is so fun. I have to be careful on the back lanes. Cars come round it quick. I'm already having to brake. It's so fast. Well, it's probably not that fast, but it feels really fast because I'm on a bike going uphill. Oh, straight away, it's a sunny day. Oh my goodness, a car! Please don't hit me! Oh, it's such a nice day as well. Perfect, from rain to shine. Who would have thought a bike, a push bike? I mean, it's not really a push bike, is it? But let's call it a bike. Who would have thought it'd be so fun? In all honesty, guys, this has got to be the most fun I've ever had on two wheels. Now, granted, I haven't driven an actual motorbike before, so this is about as close as it gets to it for me. We're going so fast and I've only got one hand on the steering wheel. Oh my god. So one good thing is you can zip in and out of traffic if you want to. However, I'm really not confident with this at the moment because this is all new to me. Oh my god, here we go. Keeping up with the traffic. It probably looks a lot slower than it feels for me, but we are flying. Oh my goodness, we're getting close, getting too close. God, so good for town use. We're just zipping in and out of places so quick. Look at me keeping up with the cars. Look, I'm leaning. Oh my goodness. I just nearly pulled out right in front of that lorry. I'm not used to this biking stuff. But one thing I will say to you, if you guys have not sort of heard of or even thought of getting an e-bike because you're not a cyclist, go for it, it's so much fun. I mean, it doesn't have to be one like this. I mean, this one's pretty cool though, let's be honest. Okay, and end.